Hey, did you know that AI can start making you money today, even while you sleep? Sounds crazy, but it's real. Today, I'm showing you 3 AI tools that can actually earn money for you. And the last one? It's insane. Stay until the end. The first AI tool, Midjourney. You type a few words, it creates an image. Imagine typing, "Draw me a golden robot in space," and boom, it's there. 3 quick ways to make money. Sell AI-generated images on Etsy. Design t-shirts, posters, mugs, and sell them on print-on-demand sites. Create awesome YouTube thumbnails and sell them to other creators. This is literally a money machine at your fingertips. The second tool, Jasper AI. This is your virtual writer. It writes for you and sounds natural. 3 ways to make money. Write articles and sell them to businesses, fast and easy. Create blogs with affiliate links. Every click can make you money. Write email marketing campaigns and sell them on Fiverr. You just type your idea. Jasper writes like a pro. The third tool, Lumen 5. You write text. It instantly creates professional social media videos. Imagine sitting down for 5 minutes and having a complete video ready to post. 3 ways to make money. Create Instagram and Facebook video packages. Businesses love this. Make YouTube shorts, for your own channel or to sell to others. Turn blog posts into videos, and sell this as a service. AI is literally building your business while you sip your coffee. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. This is your space for AI tools that make real money. See you in the next video. Don't miss it.